Hey chickies, I hope you're all doing okay out there. Now today we are doing something not so scary. Halloweenish, but not so scary. So I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. Now we're but we are going to be using this beautiful light blue. It's a shimmery, it's called Clear Skies Ahead. Link is in the description box down below. But I also wanted to just have a quick chat about our boxes. This is one of the singular boxes, but the 3-pack and the 5-pack boxes are similarly constructed, exactly the same constructed. As you can see, the polish sits in its own little polished bed, and it's completely snug there, so you could tip this upside down and the polish bottle will not fall out because it's so snug. It's built for it. Now as you can see on the back, there's all of the info about the polish itself, but as you can see, it doesn't fall out, so I thought that was really cool. So as you can see, this I keep saying that, don't I? As you can see, this polish is not completely opaque in one coat, but it is so close to that, it's not funny. Definitely recommend 2 coats if you're trying to get complete opacity, but you could definitely get away with just the 1 coat. And as you can see, yes, I have flooded the crap out of my cuticle there, but we'll fix that. It's not a big deal. Just an orange wood stick. That's probably the easiest way to do that, and it's the best way to do it and not make further a bigger mess, so to speak. Now I also wanted to mention to you, a couple of people have asked about my cleanup brush I keep using in videos recently. I actually got this from a beauty store, sort of a beauty store here in Australia called Priceline. It's almost like a pharmacy. And this is a company called Manicare, and they call it Glam by Manicare. It's just an angled eyeshadow brush, as per usual. I tend to use those a lot, but they do work really, really well. Anyway, so as you can see, 2nd coat of this beautiful blue shimmery polish, and we're going to go ahead and do our cleanup. For those of you who don't enjoy this, skip ahead now. For those of you who do, enjoy. I'll shut up now. Now, once your top coat is completely dry, you want to go ahead and put your nail vinyl. I happen to be using a Skull and Crossbones nail vinyl because I think this is kind of funny because I'm using such a light, more Disney sort of themed shade as opposed to like a black or, you know, a red or something that's more traditionally Halloween. We don't have Halloween here in Australia, like not really. Some people do. But our supermarkets are covered in Halloween stuff, like covered in it. Even though it's not actually an Australian tradition, we don't have the day off. Nobody really goes trick-or-treating, not really. There's a few pockets, a couple of neighbourhoods that do it, but not really. There's really not really very many people doing it. Now, I've just ripped off an end piece of a sponge, and we're going to be sponging this blue shade over this nail vinyl to get this cute little blue Skull and Crossbones, which is not traditionally, obviously, and I know that, and that's why I wanted to do it, because it's not traditional Halloween sort of colorings or anything like that. So anyway, so yeah, we don't really do Halloween, and I don't think anyone's doing Halloween this year anyway because of COVID. So all those poor little kids with, Jimmy Kimmel won't be able to do his I stole my kids' candy videos this year. That's a pity. They were funny. I really enjoyed those. Anyway, so you sponge as much as you want, depending on how strong you want the colour to be. As you can see, this is a very light colour, so I'm going to have to sponge it a few times to get to the strength of colour that you want. Now, when I took this nail vinyl off, I noticed there was this teeny tiny little hole, and I think it was because I didn't wait long enough for my top coat to dry. I think that's why. But in the end, I was able to hide it because I just put like a little bit of white where that hole was using a dotting tool. I didn't film that part, I'm sorry, but I just got a dotting tool and filled in that teeny tiny little hole, which you'll see in right there. Can you see that right at the bottom? Yeah, anyway, see, as you can see, it's gone. Once everything's completely dry, you can go ahead and seal it in with your favourite top coat. Let that be a lesson to you. Wait for a little bit longer than you think is necessary until your top coat dries. So anyway, that's it. I really hope you like this one. It's super sweet and simple and easy to do. I hope you give it a go. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click on the links down below. I'm giving you so many instructions. Click on the links down below to go and see the website and check out all of the other stuff we have. Anyway, thank you so much again for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, chickies. Stay safe. It's really important right now. Alrighty, I'm going now.